Today we're working on pages 191 and 192. Pull out your phonics page and you can complete your work along with me. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because this is my second recording because my first one would not load. So a little technical difficulty today, probably because everybody in the Western world is using the internet right now. So you'll see my document's already completed, but I'm going to walk you through it, okay? So we have to read the 4 sentences and figure out which word from the word bank will fit in. The first sentence says, Pete has a big fat, and I chose the word hen, H-E-N. The next sentence says, the hen sits on a nest, nest. The third sentence says, the hen laid 3 eggs. And I went ahead and drew the 3 eggs because the instructions told me to draw the eggs. The fourth sentence has that O-W sound, which could say O or ow. In this sentence, it says ow. So the word is now Pete has eggs to eat. All right. Fill in your words. I've marked the vowels. If you want to mark the vowels, go ahead. You don't need to, but it is great practice for you. So let's go ahead and flip to the back. So we're going to be on page 192. And for this side, what we need to do is we need to fill in the dot under one word in each row that tells about the picture. So we have to look at the picture and figure out which of these words make sense to go with the picture. So here I have a blue truck, and then I have the first row has 3 words. The first word would be train. And I have an A followed by an I. The A says its name. There's no train here. Then I have truck. Truck. That is a truck, so I colored in the dot there. Finally, I have trunk. Well, this doesn't have a trunk. It has a bed because it's a dump truck. Okay? Next row. The first word is blame. Nope, I've got none of that. And then I have black. See here with truck and black, short vowel followed by the k sound is made by the CK in both cases. All right, it's not black. And finally I have blue. Yes, it's a blue truck. So I colored in truck and blue. Down here I have a person swimming. The first word is lake. And I colored in that dot because it looks like he's swimming in a lake. Like, I don't know about that. And late, don't know about that. So in this row, lake was the only one that made sense. Going down to this row, the first word is sleep. Then I have sweep. And then I have swim. Well, this boy is swimming in the lake. So I colored it in the dot, very sloppily, I might add, underneath swim. Finally, I have 3 kiddos. And then for this top row, I have number words. I have 1, 2, and 3. Well, there are 3 kids, so I colored in the dot under 3. In this row, I have the word cry. Remember the Y at the end here says the I sound, cry. Nobody's crying. Then I have smile. Oh, they're all smiling, so that's the dot I colored in. And then the last one says clap. I don't know if they're clapping because we don't see their hands, so that's not the correct answer. So I have 3 and smile. Here we have a plane and some clouds. The first word, C-L-O-U-D. Circle the O-U because the O and the U say ow, cloud. The next word is clip. Nope, clip. And then I have that O-W circled here because O-W can say O or ow. Here it says ow, clown. No clowns. Going down, the first word here, plane. Plane. Yes, I have a plane, so I colored in the dot. The next word, A. The A-Y. The Y acts like a second vowel here, so it makes the A say its name, play. No play. And then last word, plus. There's no plus. All right, and finally, at the bottom, I have a boy giving his dog a bath. So the first word, log. Nope. Dad. Nope. Dog. Yes. Then I have web. No. Wet. Yep, the dog is wet. Colored in that dot. And then wig. Nope, no wigs. So that's all you need to do on this page. Finish your work neatly and completely and give yourself a smiley face. Good job.